Okay, so let's take a look at some of the blogs from Spectra page builder. So in WordPress you can go to plugins and new, make sure that you have Spectra. So type in Spectra here, right? Then you can install and activate it, and you'll find this in settings, Spectra, right? And here we can take a look at available blocks here. So I want to make use of quote, so I will scroll, and here you can see various types of blocks that we have, and so we are going to make use of quote, right? So we will go and create pages, go to sample page, right? Here we can use quick edit, change the draft to publish, update it and edit it now. So here I will have to drop that quote block. You can get the list of block from both that settings page as well as official site where you have these blocks. So just go through that. Here you can see you have quotes and info block, right? So we can take a look at some of these, right? So let's go, and on this page I already have one block, right? So I'll have to remove it. So remove the block. Here within this area, click on browse, and then you have various blocks. So Blockquote is the one I want to use here, right? So let's say I have something like things like say this lesson, right? So we add, it's my code, so I will add my name, right? So sorry, I will have to use this very carefully because otherwise it will totally remove my quote. So when you want to replace this, simply type your content, right? And here I will go to author name now, right? And add that and come out. Now my quote is added here. I can simply update and then check it on page. So let's see how that looks. So here you see quote is added. So here also the tweet block is there. If you wish to turn this into a tweet, you can do so. So this is simple Blockquote block that you can use with the help of Spectra page builder.